Hello, good evening everyone. You are most welcome to MS English Academy. Today we have come up with another session of discussion with the students of MS English Academy. I have Rubina Hassan along with me in my right. I have Muskan Anjum, I have Sabahat and Muhammadi, I have Umme Kulsum and Adiba Mariam. So these are 6 students. They are going to present their views, their thoughts and their opinions today in English language. And today the topic is really important. The topic is really interesting. That is Urdu medium or English medium, which is the best choice for us, because most of the students, most of us, they know Urdu language. That is why, what is the best option for us, Urdu medium schools or English medium schools? So on this topic I am going to have discussion with all the students, and let's know what are their opinions, what are their the students. They will present their views, their thoughts. And first of all, I would like to ask Adiba Mariam regarding this topic. What do you think, Adiba Mariam, which is the best option?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
In my opinion, sir, English medium is best
Yes.
because many parents would like to admit his child in English medium school.
Yes.
Those who speak English well do better in job interviews,
Yes.
and they find it easier to do well abroad.
Yes.
And and nearly all the people who matter in India speak, read, write English
Yes.
as their our first language, and English is our global language.
Okay.
And if we learned in English medium school, we do well in job interviews.
Of course.
And many books is available in English.
Yes.
And if we learned English, many people are give respect
Yes.
to us. So, sir, in my opinion, English medium is best.
Okay. Okay, Adiba thinks that English medium is the best option for us, and she has highlighted some reasons. And what do you think, Rubina Hassan, what's your opinion?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
According to me, I think Urdu medium is very good,
Why?
because we speak Urdu, we listen Urdu. So if we learn in Urdu medium, we can understand everything,
Yes.
every subject, everything,
The mic distance, yes.
everything we can understand
Yes.
in Urdu medium.
Yes.
As like Adiba said, we can learn English from English medium.
Yes.
I think it is not correct,
Why?
because as you are running spoken English classes,
Yes.
so here many children coming from Urdu medium.
Yes, many children. Yeah.
Yes, many children coming from Urdu medium, but many children also coming from English medium. Why they are coming here? They are from English medium, so they can learn from English medium, as she has said. So it shows that only from English medium we can't learn English.
Yes, of course.
So I think
I want to.
Reply her. Okay. After let her finish, then you can reply.
yes. So only from English medium we can't learn English.
Yes.
So I think for English we can join spoken English classes. Although we from Urdu medium and English medium.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So Rubina thinks that Urdu medium is the best option for us, because most of us know Urdu, and it will be easy for us to understand the subjects, the topics, and the books, whatever we learn in school. It will become so easy for us. And Adiba thinks that English medium is the best option. Okay, Adiba, do you want to add something? As you were just saying something.
Yes, sir. As Sister Rubina has said, there are students in MS English Academy which coming from English medium
Yeah,
school,
who are coming from?
who are coming from English medium school. But why she is her says why?
She says why?
She says why. I want to say her, I come here become a fearless.
Yeah, sir.
I am practicing here.
Yeah. So Adiba wants to say that she already knows English. She didn't come here to learn English. She has come here to develop her skills. to become fearless. So Adiba wants to say that if you go to English medium school, you know English. Rubina says that it is not correct to say that if you go to English medium school, you know all the English language. So these are the argument between the two. She says if you go to English medium school, it's not compulsory. Yeah, it's not 100% that everyone learn English medium. And she says that if you go to English medium, you would learn English language, and you can speak, you can read anything. Okay, this is a point of Adiba. Adiba thinks that Adiba did not come here to learn English. She thinks that she is already aware of English. She has come here to become fearless and to just improve her skills. So Adiba's point is very clear. She wants to say that if you go to English medium school, you will learn English, you can speak English. Rubina says that it's not compulsory, it's not sure that if you go to English medium school, you would speak English. So this is the point of Rubina Hassan. Okay, Rubina, do you want to add something?
Yes. As she said, she is coming for fearless.
To become fearless.
Yes, to become fearless. Here she is only that girl.
Yes.
She want to fearless girl. Become fearless girl. But many children are here as like that. As not like that.
Unlike her.
Unlike her. So many children are coming for learning English, not practicing. So I think she, as she has said, it is for only her, not every children.
Okay. So Rubina wants to say that it is very few girls, some girls or boys, they develop themselves in whatever medium they are. So, but she says that the majority of the students, number of students, they don't learn from any of the medium. They learn from their own interest, from their own zeal. Just like Adiba. Adiba has developed her skills, her English. So because of her efforts, sincere efforts, she knows English. This is what Rubina wants to say. But she is stick to her point that we should go to Urdu medium school, and Adiba is stick to her point that we should go to English medium. Okay, let's go to other. And what Umme Kulsum, what do you think? Which is the best option, Urdu medium or English medium?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, just go ahead.
I think English medium a good choice to us.
Why?
Because if we go to English medium school, when we go to other countries, we can talk in English.
Of course.
If we go to job interview, we can easily selected for job.
Okay, we can easily. Okay. This is the second point of view. Yes.
And my third point, if we go to colleges, we can easily understand lectures, and we can pass degree.
Okay. The points of this little Umme Kulsum are huge. Now, though she is little, but the points are very, very good. She wants to say that if we learn English right from our childhood, it will be easy in our career, in our future. Everything would be easy. Jobs and degree, graduation, everything become easy. So this is a point of Umme Kulsum. Okay, let's know about. We'll go to Sabah. Sabah, what do you think? What's your opinion? Which is the best option for us?
Thank you, sir. Urdu language is best.
Medium. Okay, give her the mic. Pass her the mic.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
I think Urdu medium is the best because it is very easy. My mother language, easy to read. If and teachers say something in Urdu, we can easily understand.
Yes.
But not understood in English.
Yeah, English is not
Understood.
like Urdu. Yes.
Even if the teacher but not come in our class, we can easily understood in Urdu lesson.
Okay, we can understand in Urdu
language, but not teacher come here is a very difficult in English subject.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, welcome. Muhammadi wants to say that if if the teacher doesn't come to class, students can solve the problem by reading themselves in group discussion, because most of us know Urdu, so that is why we can clear the doubts. This is what she want to say that. Do you want to say the same thing? If the teacher doesn't come to any day, okay, for any reason, so we can solve the problems. Do you want to say? Okay, that's also the nice point. Okay, these are the views of the students. Some in my right, Rubina Hassan and Muskan, they said Urdu medium is the best option, while here Adiba Mariam and Ummi Kulsum, they said English medium is the best choice, and also Muhammadi also said Urdu medium is the best option, and they said that Urdu medium, the students, they are favoring Urdu. They say that Urdu is the easy. Urdu can be understood easily, and most of us know Urdu. Our parents know Urdu. That's why it is easy for us. While Adiba and Ummi Kulsum, they want to say that if you make your career, if you want to make your future in a good manner, you must know English language, and that English language comes from English medium. So here the point is that if you go to English medium, it is not necessary that you can understand English. But here they say if you go to English medium, because of the environment, because of the discussion, you will be aware of English. So that is the point. Some have said English medium is the best option, while some said Urdu medium is the best option. If you want to know my opinion is that Urdu medium is the best option for us, because most of us know Urdu, we are aware of Urdu, and our mother tongue is Urdu, our parents know Urdu. That is why if you go to Urdu medium schools, and which are the schools should be good. I think the quality of education should be good, and infrastructure should be good, and the teachers should be qualified. If the school is in such manner, so Urdu medium schools are good, because we can understand the subjects, topics easily. There will be no extra burden of other language, for example English or other languages. That is why if you want to develop your knowledge in any of the subject, if you want to learn something new, it is better to understand in your own language. So every concept will become easy for you. Okay, the new things would become easy for us, because we understand the things in our own language. But if you want to know new thing in English language, because English is not our mother language, so that there will be two burdens: the burden of that subject, then the burden of English itself. So two burden we have to bear. That's why I think Urdu medium should be the best option. And I am not underestimating English. English is a global language, just like Adiba said. It has respect, and also there are number of chances of jobs only for those students who know English. They can speak English. I am not denying the value and importance of English, but for children it's better to go to Urdu medium school. I am talking about my locality students, because most of us know Urdu. So that's why if your mother tongue is Hindi, you can go to Hindi language. If your mother tongue is some other, you can choose your own language, because the concept will become easy to understand, and you can speak English, because in Urdu language, in Urdu medium or any of the mediums, English languages must be there. English is always there, and the value of English would be forever, because English has become the global language. I am not denying. So all in all, thank you very much. All of the students, they have put their views, their ideas, and I think you have also enjoyed. I would like to request all of the viewers, please keep on watching our videos, share our videos, and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.